Hey guys, my name is Heena and today I'm going to show you how to achieve beachy waves in short hair. So start off with sectioning your hair. So I like to start curling my hair from the bottom and then work my way upwards. This is the Truman's Tourmaline ceramic wand. So the best feature about this wand is the way it is designed. I like how effortless and beachy waves it gives to the hair. Just simply wrap the hair around the wand, hold the hair for 10 to 15 seconds and release it. Make sure that the tip of the wand is facing downwards. Can you see how beautiful those curls look? I really love it. You just have to keep repeating the process. Sectioning your hair and then curling gives your hair much more defined waves and also makes sure that you don't miss out any of the hair. One tip that I really like and actually follow is that curl your hair in both the direction. Yes, curling your hair inwards and outwards helps in giving more volume to the hair. Now for the strands that frame my face, I like to curl them outwards. Curling outwards frames my face well. So with this we come to an end. Like, share and subscribe for some amazing content coming your way. Also let me know in the comments below what else would you like to know about hairstyling, curling and straightening. Okay, bye.